Shabby Chic bedroom is comfortable, relaxed, and welcoming. This familiar style has evolved over the decades from a busy mix of ruffles, lace, and weathered furniture to a more streamlined style. Today's Shabby Chic interiors mix in cottagecore, cottage style, vintage, and farmhouse elements to create a cozy mashup that can work in a range of interiors. Though Shabby Chic was originally defined by its layers and layers of fabrics, ruffles, and decorative objects, today there is more of an emphasis on its use of repurposed items and vintage furnishings. See if you can find objects that can have a new life in the bedroom, whether it's old baskets, antique suitcases, or an old shutter as a headboard. One of the hallmarks of Shabby Chic style is the use of white, and that has not changed. But while pastels were the predominant touches of color back in the 90s, today you are just as likely to find darker hued accents, such as the black and deeper blues used in this bedroom. Shabby Chic embraced a maximalist aesthetic, but the look has become far less cluttered in recent years. Pare down the collectibles to just those things you love, forget about all the ruffles and beads, and let some open wall space shine through for a charming but restful space. Shabby Chic plays well with modern farmhouse. Both utilize vintage and antique elements, weathered materials, and cozy textiles. Mix beadboard walls and darker wood tones with light neutral textiles for a modern farmhouse look with a Shabby Chic edge. As long as you carefully select your decor, Shabby Chic can come through with fewer items and more neutral colors. Today's updated look is far more suited to a wider range of taste with soft materials, subtle floral prints, and light colors that don't feel overly frilly.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.